Is it time for Quilt Festival yet? My bag is packed. My backup bag is packed. Outfits picked out. Shoes are ready. Playlist for on the road. Extra battery charge packed and ready to go. Check, check, check. And of course, a very full heart because it's Quilt Festival time coming soon. Hey there, Star Stitchers. I'm Kristen from IC Stars Quilting, where we keep quilting fun, approachable, and totally judgment-free. Today, I'm giving you the inside scoop on the biggest quilting event in the world, the International Quilt Festival in Houston, Texas. I go every single year to this show, and I am an absolute pro at attending this show, okay? Whether you are attending or you're just curious about the magic behind this show, I've got the details that you need to know, what's new this year, what to expect, and why even non-quilters leave this show absolutely inspired. I got to chat with the VP of Communications at Quilts Inc. They're the team that is behind the International Quilt Festival, and he shared with me some of the awesome insights on what is coming this year to the International Quilt Festival and some other surprises that you may not know about yet. So I've got the scoop and you're going to get it all right here. So what exactly is the Quilt Festival? It's a massive 4-day celebration of creativity, part quilt museum, part shopping spree, part hands-on class haven. Think of it as the holy grail for fiber lovers. The whole thing is built on a 3-legged stool. You've got world-class, amazing quilt exhibits. You have amazing classes with incredible instructors and the kind of shopping that you can only dream about. This year, the Quilt Festival is expanding their reach with something called the Stitch Lounge, okay? It's going to be brand new. It's going to be amazing. And it's going to be designed as a cozy hangout space for knitters, weavers, embroidery lovers, all of those hands-on creative artistry skills. So if you go by yourself, you can probably meet a friend in that area, okay? They're also making a bigger effort to connect with younger makers. So if you're a sewist, a crafter, or just fiber curious, this year might be a really good year for you to come and attend. Now, I've been every year for many, many years, okay? The quilts themselves, oh my friend, these are not your average bed quilts. These are jaw-dropping, soul-shaking works of art from around the world. And yes, I will be giving you some early sneak peeks very soon on what you can expect to see at the quilt show. I have some fun news to share for this year's show. I was accepted to lecture this year on one of my favorite topics, and that is maximizing your quilting joy. You know that I love talking about this all the time. So if you're attending, I would love to see you there. Come see me lecture, hear me speak, and I may have some fun goodies to give away to you as well. And if you happen to be wandering the show floor on Thursday afternoon, come say hi, okay? I will be demoing a fun project in the open studios area from 2 to 4 p.m. I will have fabric, thread, a smile, and probably some caffeine in hand too, okay? It's gonna be a long day. Quilt show is always so fun. There is so much energy in there. Fun, friendship, and all of that aside, I want to talk about Festival Survival Kit, okay? Here is what is always in my bag. I always have candy or grapes for a quick energy boost and to avoid those low blood sugar crashes. When I'm in the middle of shopping, chapstick is a must in my book, okay? Convention centers are notoriously dry places, right? Chapstick is a must. I always carry my little wallet with me because it is an easy wallet to bring with me. It's lightweight. It only has the essentials that I will need for the festival. I'm not going to be needing all of my membership cards to X, Y, and Z while I'm at the quilt show. I only bring what is necessary, and I always store it in an easy to reach pocket on my bag. I always have a water bottle with me because hydration is not optional when you're going to be up and around all day long. And of course, a pen and notebook or like a printable show planner to track vendors and classes and my schedule as well. There are vendor maps on site that you can pick up so you can know where your favorite vendors are and kind of map out so that you don't miss any of them that you just have to see. Okay, here is a big tip from me. Bring a big shoulder bag or a backpack, okay? Do not bring your rolling suitcases. Leave them at home. They're actually not allowed on the show floor because of tripping hazards. As you can see from here, those aisles get really, really full. This is a big deal. Okay, this show is amazing. It's so much fun, and there's so many things to see. I guarantee you are not watching where you're walking. And that's why those rolling suitcases have been kind of outlawed, because it's just not safe. A lot of the vendors will give you a free large shoulder bag, and that is awesome for carrying your stuff. Personally, I like a backpack because it doesn't make me any wider when I'm in the hallway, right? I don't have to like accidentally clock somebody with my shoulder bag or my purse or anything like that. So if I'm wearing a backpack, it's evenly distributed on my shoulders, the weight of it, and it's easy to grab, pull around to the front if I need to get into the pockets of the front, and it just makes things easier. Yes, I look like I'm a high schooler that has way too many books in her bag, but it's way more fun inside the bag. Okay, I have all of my fabric stashes. I have cards. I have notes from people that I have met while I've been at the festival, reminders, all of the little freebie flyers that you get, okay, from going to those booths, the freebies that they offer, QR download links, and all of the things, right? You want to keep it at one central location. So if you have other tips and you've been to other shows and you figured out things that work, go ahead and leave those ideas and share those wealth of information down in the comment section down below, so that we can all gain from that and make this a much easier trip overall. If you plan on attending the International Quilt Festival, here is what you need to know. Okay, number one, parking downtown can be tricky. Please plan ahead, okay? There are lots that are close to the convention center. Those are going to be your most expensive, but your least amount of walking lots, right? So plan ahead, figure out where you're going to park, and also plan for the lots that are closest to the convention center to possibly fill up early on in the day. Number two, you need to wear comfy shoes and layers. I cannot stress this enough, okay? Wear something comfy. This is like on level with going to Disney all day long. I know my Disney trips too. Wear shoes that are comfy to wear all day long. No blisters. Don't bring out your new cute sneakers the day of show, okay? And number three, if you see me at the festival, come say hi to me. I would love to get a hug and talk about quilting. It's one of my favorite things to do, is to meet quilters in person. I love these shows, okay? It's so fun to talk to you here on YouTube, but it's more fun to talk in person. So even if you are not a quilter, there's so much to see. I have brought friends who are not quilters who have come to this show with me. There are fashion to see. If you're into people watching, oh my God, is it a gold mine, okay? Like, there's just artists and fashion and sculpture and yarn installations. It's the kind of place where inspiration just literally buzzes in the air, okay? It's amazing. So whether you're coming to Houston this year or you're watching the Quilt Festival from home, I am going to be bringing you along for every single moment of the show, okay? The classes, the quilts, the shopping, and yes, probably all of my caffeine consumption as well, okay? I always do videos that just give you a better inside look at the show, what's happening, what is the trends that I see happening, and what's coming up in the following year. So be sure to please hit that like button and subscribe to join my Star Stitcher crew here on YouTube. I've got more festival sneak peeks coming your way. I will be sharing daily vlogs, booth favorites of mine, what I bought, and highlights from my lecture and the open studio stitch time. I've got a lot to share this year, and I'm really excited to bring it all to you here on YouTube. So tell me in the comments if you've ever been to the International Quilt Festival in Houston, or if it's on your bucket list, because I love hearing your stories. If you're kind of impatient and you want to see what's going to be going on at the festival and get a good idea of, what you should expect, go ahead and check out the videos that I have posted from previous years. I share all kinds of inside scoop in those videos. All right, that's your sneak peek for today. I am going to be sharing a sneak peek at some of the quilts that are going to be on display at Quilt Festival this year, or rather the quilt show this year. I kind of use those interchangeably. If I messed up somewhere in this video already, you're just gonna have to forgive me. Quilt Festival, quilt show, International Quilt Market, all of that. I will be at Market as well, and I will do some videos on Market so that you can see what the trends are coming for the new year and what fabric is going to be released. So if you want to know information on how to get a ticket, I would highly, highly suggest buying your ticket online ahead of time to avoid the lines. It's just easier that way. Okay, you can print it out, scan it at the door, and you go in, no lines whatsoever. You can also see what the hours are and get some more information on what the vendors are if you go to their website. I will post a link down in the description box down below this video so that you can get all of that information on the Quilt Festival website. So that is all of my tips for today. I hope that you found this video incredibly useful. I am so looking forward to this. I'm going to post another video with the quilts that will be on display, giving you a sneak peek at those quilts. Again, thank you to the Quilt Festival for putting this on every single year. I look forward to it, and it makes my whole month of October so much better. I'm Kristen with icsourcequilting.com. I will catch you in the next video, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Sew something pretty. Bye.